Restoring backups is a fundamental part of maintaining resilience in IT systems. Interestingly, it's more common than you might think, primarily to address minor errors rather than catastrophic failures. Backups come to the rescue in everyday situations, whether it's recovering accidentally deleted files, reviving servers after a crash, or addressing operational glitches. When dealing with large-scale restorations, such as after a disaster, it's vital to prioritize. Restoring critical services and business functions ensures minimal disruption. Non-persistent computing emphasizes efficiency. Instead of backing up entire systems, focus on critical data. Using infrastructure as code, you can quickly rebuild systems and recover only the unique data. Sometimes the simplest solution is best. Many errors can be fixed by reverting to a previously stable state, avoiding the need for a full system backup. Live boot media offers a lifeline when backups are unavailable. By booting from external devices, you can recover data directly from storage, bypassing issues with the original operating system.